Hello everyone, my name is RAIHANA FATIN with ISLAR AF180040. Today my presentation is about biochemical process of contamination transportation in geoenvironmental engineering. Contamination transportation in coils is governed by advection, dispersion, geochemical mass transfer, and decay in the case of radioactive materials. Regarding treatise on geochemistry, second edition, 2014, contamination transportation models are mostly used for determining the concentration of contaminant that reach the exposed population. In this slide, it shows the four elements in contaminated transportation, which is advection, dispersion, geochemical mass transfer, and decay. Advection is the process whereby the contaminant is being carried along by the moving water. Next, move to the dispersion. Dispersion arises from mechanical mixing due to velocity distribution between solid particle and molecule diffusion. Geochemical mass transfer retard the migration because of adsorption or precipitation. Decay is the last element in contaminant transportation. Decay results in a decrease of contaminants concentration for radioactive materials. Now, move to the process of contaminant transportation. Contaminant transport processes can be described and illustrated by the flow of a fluid in a long pipe. To begin with, consider that the fluid flow along the pipe as a plug with a constant velocity. A given mass of contaminant injected into the flowing water will naturally be carried along by the fluid at the velocity. The mass of contaminant will also spread as it is being carried along by the flowing fluid as illustrated in the figure. Contaminant transport can occur at two different situations. Firstly, contaminant transport can occur at groundwater. Secondly, contaminant transport also can occur at surface water. For the contaminant transport at the groundwater, the presence of chlorinated hydrocarbon in the unsaturated salts serve as a renewable sources of groundwater contaminants. Once a chemical enters the groundwater regime, several transport mechanisms are present that may lead in the spreading of the contaminant. Next, move to the contaminant transportation for surface water. Once the contaminant enters the regime of stream, various processes including volatilization, chemical reaction, air-water exchange, and biological interaction will act to reduce the concentration or degrade the chemical form. The reactivity and solubility of an organic chemical in water will also affect the concentration of the substance. That's all from me. Thank you.